Hello everyone, you are on the phone support channel. Before watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like to support it. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you. Or asking questions. Thank you. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how you can permanently delete videos from TikTok, literally in a couple seconds. In order to do this, we go to our TikTok. Now we select the video we want. Pause it. Now press the three dots and scroll to the right until the end. Here we have a button, Delete. Press it. Now press Delete. If you want to remove this video from the trash, now at the top, click on the three bars, and then you click on Setting and Private. Here you go a little lower and find the item, Activity Center. Now find Recently Deleted, open it up, and here are the videos that we deleted. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. It's nothing complicated. If you liked this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. You have been on the phone support channel. See you soon. Watch other videos on this channel.